Hi folks, Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars and the Lutherie Academy. I've been using the Gluboost family of products in my shop for a number of years now, and I find them very useful. Recently, I found out about a new product they have called Fill and Finish, the white version. Now, I've been using the black version of this product for several years now, and I find it very useful for doing inlays or for fixing cracked or chipped fretboards. It's just a wonderful product. But now they have a white version. So I thought, well, shoot, let me try and use that. I've already used it for fixing nuts and saddles, doing fret markers or side dots on fretboards. Heck, I even used it to fix an elephant ivory statue I had that had fallen off the shelf and broken. You could even add some of the powdered dyes from Gluboost to make it even whiter, or a variety of other colors. Doug Proper from the Guitar Specialist has even done a video on how to fix ivoroid type bindings with this product. So another very useful product from Gluboost, the Fill and Finish white version. I'm sure you'll find it useful in your shop. I know I already have in mine. Happy building, folks.